Hi, my name is Kris. My main symptoms were a lot of pain when I would try to go for a hike or go walking in my hip, and considered having a hip replacement. That's how painful it was. Heard about the treatments here, and I decided to try them, and now I can walk and keep up with everybody in the group. I'm very glad that I came, and I would recommend anybody considering a hip replacement to come check this out first.
We did hip socket decompression with her, which is a fairly new procedure of about last October. Kris was one that probably jumped in after about 10 or 15 that had done it and has done really well, and was one of the things, like, you like to ride motorcycles, right? Was that one of the things that really hurt you?
That never hurt.
Okay.
I couldn't go for walks.
The walk was the main thing.
I just couldn't walk. Yeah. I was in so much pain.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. We're glad she's doing good.